You see this basic question given in time and distance. A man completes a journey in 8 hours. He travels first half time of the journey at the rate of 24 km per hour and second half time at the rate of 32 km per hour. What is the total journey in kilometers? Means they're asking distance. Distance is speed into time. Initially half of the time means 4 hours with 24 km per hour. Next half of the time 4 hours with 32 km per hour. Now what's the answer? 96 plus 224. 224 kilometers. This is very basic question. Distance is speed into time, but two different speeds are given. First half of the time with 24 speed, next half of the time with 32 km per hour speed. So distance speed into time, just apply that. 224 kilometers is correct. Now let's move for the next question. What about the answer for this? A speed of boat in upstream is 50, downstream is 30. Question is regarding velocity of stream. Velocity of stream or speed of current, all are same. Speed of stream, speed of current, speed of water flow. Correct terminology to understand better is speed of river or speed of water flow. Boat is traveling in a river. Boat speed is the river speed also there. They are asking speed of the river. Right, so we know when downstream is what is the downstream speed is speed of boat plus speed of stream. Upstream speed is speed of boat minus speed of stream. In question, downstream and upstream both are given. If you want speed of stream, we have to subtract those two, divide by 2. Subtract downstream and upstream, then divide by 2. If you want boat speed, add those two, divide by 2. So here it will give 10 kilometer per hour. Downstream, we are going down. When you go down, your speed will be more. Right, so here boat is going along with the water flow. So water speed plus boat speed both will be added. If boat is traveling against the water flow, boat speed will decrease. Boat minus water SS, speed of stream or speed of water flow or speed of current. There are different terminologies. This is boats and streams concept which will come under time and distance. It's the application of that. 23 is what topic? Profit and loss, but this is linked with data sufficiency. Now, to answer that question, cost price of the chain, which data is required? Is it first statement data sufficient? Second data is sufficient? Both together sufficient? Together not sufficient? What's your answer? I want cost price. If you want to find cost price, what is the data required? One information is okay, or second information okay, or both required? Both not sufficient. Which is sufficient? One alone is sufficient, because if you want to know the cost price, if you know selling price and profit or loss, you can decide. Because statement 1 alone, because of 8% profit, selling price is 108% of cost price. Selling price is already there. You can calculate the cost price. So your answer should be statement 1 alone is sufficient. There is an option where statement 1 alone is sufficient. We need to opt it. What is the cost price of the chain? If you want to identify that, okay, selling price is required. In question statement 1, S1 means statement 1, S2 means statement 2. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer that. This data sufficiency is important for Accenture, Infosys. Okay, if you call TCS or any company, data sufficiency. For any topic, they can ask what data is required to answer that question. Question is cost price. To answer that, what is required is selling price. If it is profit or loss, fine, I can answer. Whether profit is given or loss is given. If it is 8% loss, then what will write? Selling price is 92% of cost price. I can find cost price obviously. To calculate cost price, what data required? Here statement 1 data is sufficient. Not required statement 2. Next one. Now similarly, if you want to calculate who is the tallest among ABC, who is tallest among ABC, which data is required? Is it 1 alone, 2 alone, or together? Who is tallest among A, B and C? To find that which data is required. One is regarding age. Question is regarding height. So one is no. Two alone. Second one, what they said, A is shortest. B is youngest but taller than C. We have only three people. A is shortest out. A cannot be tallest. Now only two people, B and C. One among them is taller. They said B taller than C. So B is the tallest. So the statement 2 alone is sufficient. There is an option definitely. Here I remove the options or else I will show the options in general how it looks like. There will be options, one alone, two alone, likewise I will show you how the options. Here like here. Only statement 1, only statement 2, both statements together, neither statements together also not sufficient like that will give. But we understand here statement 2 alone is okay to answer that question. So that's what we have to go for, statement 2 alone is sufficient. Data sufficiency, generally they'll ask in reasoning. Pretty much important in Accenture also. 4 questions they are giving. TCS, okay, any company, now Meil company, every company they are focusing on this type of questions. Now what topic this is? Analogy concept. First page there is some relation between 18 and 342. Don't say there is a mistake, sir. I know 18 square is 324. Typing mistake there 342. Correct it and I will find the answer is 36. That is typing correct, sir. First check. Okay, 342, is there any possibility with 18? What's the logic? If there is a chance or not? 18 is somehow become 342. What's the relation between 18 and 342? Then same relationship should be given for 6 and other number. Yes. 18 square is how much? 324 plus 18. So this is 18 into 19. Next number multiplication. 18, next number 18 multiplied by 19. Then here 6 multiplied by 7. Option D. Sometimes you may argue, sir, 16 to 19, sir. There they multiplied by 19, here multiplied by 19. Maybe that's also logic, but not there in the options. Above numbers are A, they multiplied by 19 answer. Here also B multiplied by 19 answer. That's also a chance, 140, but not there in the options. So logics, yeah, when there is only two numbers, lot of logics will come. Some student will come and ask, sir, 18 plus 324 is 342. 6 plus 324, 330 is my answer, sir. I did addition, sir. Here there are a lot of logics, but high priority, division, multiplication, then addition, subtraction will come. When there are multiple logics, first go for high priority additions. Before, so division, multiplication, addition. Before division, we can go for powers also, squares and cubes. In fact, this is, I can say squares. 18 square plus 18, 6 square plus 6. Highest priority for squares, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, all will come later. Because Padmas are both mass. If you go for Padmas, this is powers, squares, cubes, then division, multiplication related logics, then addition, subtraction related logics will come. First for P and E, sir, both mass, but a lot of people are not understand what's the priority first. B is brackets, but O, a lot of people are not understand, that's why we cannot it as Padmas. Powers and exponents, powers. Powers have highest priority first of all. Okay, before that, in fact, I can say B also, brackets also there. Brackets, inside brackets, powers, exponents, then division, multiplication. Division, multiplication, both have same priority. In fact, addition, subtraction also, right, good. Now let's see about next question. This is a topic called syllogisms, which generally we discuss in 2-2, okay, booklet 3. In your regular classes, it's there. Booklet 3, practice booklet 3, right? Now, generally what we have to do, for the given question, given statements, we have to draw the diagram. Then in all diagrams, your conclusion must be true. So, what's your answer here? Is it conclusion 1 follows, conclusion 2 follows, both not follows? Yes, conclusion 1 follows is correct. See, some notebooks are books. Some part of notebooks are books. All books are papers. Now, some notebooks are papers is correct. First one correct. Second one, no paper is notebook. Paper notebook connected. Okay, so this is saying that no paper is notebook. There is no connection. This is wrong. Here conclusion 1 follows. For this question answer is conclusion 1 follows. There is one more shortcut actually to answer this question. They said all books are papers, right? In place of books, I can put papers. All books are papers. In place of books, I can put papers. And what's the first one? Some notebooks are. That is what they given in the conclusion one. Some notebooks are papers. First one true. There is a connection between notebooks and papers. Second conclusion is saying there is no connection, but we saw in diagram and we have basic analysis both saying there is a connection between notebooks and papers. Second one wrong, right? So there are many ways. One is diagram. Some questions we can solve directly like this also, as there are only two statements, we can handle it. Now let's see about next one, 27. Single table tennis tournament is held at IT Solutions in which 32 players participated. If a single player is eliminated as soon as the player loses the match, means indirectly one match, one player will be gone. How many players are there? How many winners will be there? One winner. So how many should be eliminated? Now question is how many matches is to be required? 31. Answer complete. How sir? Just now I said one match, one player eliminate. Now to decide one winner, how many should be eliminated? 31 should be eliminated. So 31 matches should be done. Going a simple way. A lot of people know, sir, write 32 players. 16 one group, 16 other group, then 8 one group, 8 other group, then 4 quarterfinals, semi-finals, finals. Not required. Simple logic is this. One match, one team, one player gone. Right. I want one winner, means 31 players should be gone. So I want to conduct 31 matches. Next one, that's actually previous one, we can say general one, a permutation combination related. This is also permutation combination related one. A bag contains, ignore about the options. Okay, in fact this is puzzle, not permutation combinations also exactly. It's a puzzle. Fourth, in fact, is given in gate exam also. Similar question with small change in maybe colors. I given green, blue, yellow, red. They may given black, something like that. But similar question you can check given in gate exam 2024 as well. Right. Now, four colors are there. Green, blue, four green in fact, four blue, four yellow, four red. Now, read the question. At least two of same color. At least two of same color is required. If you want to confirm, okay, I picked certain balls, there is definitely two same color is there. If you want to confirm that, how many must be picked? Must and should be two of same color required. How many minimum must be picked? 5 is correct answer. Minimum I have to pick 5. Then I'm damn sure I can say that there are two minimum same color. How sir? Let's say my bad day it is. First I pick this green. If it is a good day, next also green will come. Within two, I got two same color. But if it's a bad day, first one green, second one may be red, third one may be blue, fourth one may be. All four are different. It's a bad day. But fifth day, what will be there? It may be green, it may be blue, it may be, but definitely two of same color will guarantee. If it is bad day or good day, if I pick 5 minimum, I'll get 2 minimum of same color. So why they said at least 2 of same color? It's a partially good and bad, let's say that day is, maybe I got 2, 3 green also possible. If I pick 5, in that 5, maybe 3 green, 2 green, 4 red. There are 5 maybe any. Why all 4? Okay, 4 are different. It may be green, 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 then yellow, green. We may got 5. So there is, at least that is why they used. At least 2, minimum 2 of same color required. Greater than or equal to 2 of same color required. Now if it is 5 different colors, what's the answer? 6 should be picked. Plus 1. Number of different color plus 1. Okay, all first five are different. First day, next day, whatever you pick, definitely it will be okay. Same color repetition. Next, n persons are probability. N persons are seated on a round table. What is the probability? Two named individuals will be neighbors. First of all, probability is favorable out of total. N persons are a round table means total will be n minus 1 factorial. Normally if you arrange the people, n people in a row, n factorial, but round table means n minus 1 factorial, total is that. But favorable, they given a condition. Two named individuals will be, there will be particular two people, they should be neighbors, they're together. Two people must be together. Among n people, two people together means these two people will be taken as one unit. Then there are n minus 2 units. Now we can say this all together there are n minus 1 units. N minus 1 units. This is 1 unit, here n minus 2. Okay. In circular, what is the way of arranging n people means you said n minus 1 factorial. But here how many people? N minus 1, because two particular people are together. Let us say A and B. These people are A and B. A and B, these two people are together, they said. We should consider those two as one unit. They are like one unit, right? So then we have to go for n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. What is that into 2? Why into 2 extra? Yes, that A and B can be arranged. A, B or B. A and B can be arranged as A, B or B, A, right. Now, probability is favorable out of total. Favorable, we got this, and total, yes, yes. So, probability, 2 factorial means 2 into n minus 2 factorial. This is an n minus 1 factorial can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. N minus 1 factorial. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial like that. Now when you go for probability favorable out of total, that n minus 2 factorial will get cancelled. Right? So then 2 divided by n minus 1, that's what option A is correct. Denominator is n minus 1 factorial, but we are writing as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. This will get cancelled. It's 2 out of n minus 1. Probability related question. N persons are seated around a round table. Okay, if n persons are there, we can do it in n minus 1 factorial ways. Right. And two particular people must be neighbors, means they are like together. They should be adjacent. It can be AB or BA. That's why the 2 factorial extra we written. It can be AB or it can be BA. We can swap it. The 2 factorial is for that purpose. Right. Now what about this 30 permutations? NP5 equal to 20 into NP3. What is N value? Ignore about the options. Maybe options here. I'll remove it. NP5 equal to 20 into NP3. Then what is N value? That's the question. Right, see, NP5 is what we can write N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 into N minus 4. We have to write 5 terms from N. NP5 is simple, write 5 terms from N. NP3, right? 3 terms from N. Now, when you just go this side and that side, these 3 terms is common, it will get cancelled. These 3 terms will be common, it will get cancelled. Left side, right side if you just go. Now what is left over is n minus 3 into n minus 4 is 20. 20 can be written as 5 into 4. N minus 3 is 5. N equal to 8. Or n minus 4 equal to 4. N equal to 8 is the answer. Sir, I know quadratic equations. I'll write n minus 3 into n minus 4 as n square minus 12n plus 12. This is not mathematics here. Try to avoid, okay, going for lengthy procedure. This n minus 3, n minus 4 is adjacent numbers product. N minus 3, n minus 4 adjacent numbers product. Right? 20 is adjacent numbers products 5 into 4. Then map it. You just check n minus 3 equal to 5 also n equal to 8. N minus 4 equal to 4 also n equal to 8. It's matching. So n value is 8, simple. Don't go for quadratic equations, putting that and solving, waste of time. What is NP2 can be written as? N into n minus 1. NP1, 10. NP0, 1. NP0 is 1. Okay, only 1. NP0 is 1. Super. Now, again, probability. As mentioned, probability, permutation, combinations are important for this company. We given the list of topics at the intro as well. Right, so let's have a look into this. In an essay competition, odds in favor of competitors P, Q, R and S are 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Odds in favor of. Sir, this is a new terminology. We know probability, okay, is favorable out of total. But listen, odds in favor of, odds in against. There are two terms, odds in favor of, odds in against. Odds in favor of is favorable out of unfavorable. This is favorable, this is unfavorable. Means, okay, what is the probability of favorable is 1 by 3. Total is favorable plus unfavorable, both will come. But odds in favor of means that ratio is favorable to unfavorable. Right? Now, what is probability? Okay, one of them will win. If P wins, QRS not winning. If Q wins, PRS should lose. If R wins, PQS should lose. If S wins, P should lose, Q should lose, R should lose. So what is the winning for P? Favorable is 1. Total will be 3. 1 by 3 is winning. Don't write 1 by 2. 1 by 3. Total is favorable plus unfavorable. Odds in favor of means the ratio will be favorable with respect to unfavorable. Not total, please. Sometimes they'll give odds against ratio. Odds against means unfavorable to favorable. Odds against a particular game is unfavorable to favorable. Odds in favor of a particular game is favorable to unfavorable. This is a new term. Probability favorable out of total. But there is some new terms in probability only. Odds in favor of, odds against likewise. Right. So now Q not winning the game is unfavorable to total required. Q not winning the game. R not winning the game is 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. R. S is 5 out of 6. Q winning the game 1 by 4. P not winning the game 2 by 3. R not winning the game 4 by 5. S not winning the game 5 by 6. Then R winning the game 1 by 5. This is 2 by 3. 3 by 4. 5 by 6. Don't cancel the terms because I want denominator common, then it's easy for you to do calculations at the end. S winning is 1 by 6, P not winning 2 by 3, Q not winning, one moment. Yeah, P not winning 2 by 3, U not winning 3 by 4, this is 4 by 5. Right. Now this is what, okay, ignore about the option. Sometimes that calculations might be mistake here. Denominator, if you observe, denominator 3, 4, 5, 6 is common. Right, 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 5, 60, 60 into 6, we got 360. Denominator is 360. What about numerator, sir? 3 into 4 into 5, 60. here 40, then 235, we got 30, here 234, we got 24, right. Now numerator altogether 100, 154. 154 divided by 360, so 154. We can divide by 2, which is, this is 77, divide by 180 is the answer. Only one should win. If P wins, QRS should lose. Ignore about the options as mentioned in previous session also, that's what the issue. You can go for none. One should win among those people, but this is a procedure, and that too probability is not given directly. Okay, they said odds in favor of. Okay, so that's favorable out of unfavorable, we need to convert. When P win, remaining all lose. When Q win, remaining all will lose. R winning, remaining losing. S winning, remaining losing. This is how you people can create the equation. Don't cancel the terms in a hurry. Again, later you will feel difficult while doing calculations. Keep denominator as it is, same for every denominator. Keep it as it is. Add the numerator. So this is the procedure. Sometimes they'll give only 3 ratios or 3 people. A, B, C, only one winning. This is bit time taken because 4 people are there. Only one winning. Doing all this will take time. And some people are saying, sir, do total minus no one winning. My dear friend, total means one, sir, one minus no one winning. Some people are telling it's not correct here. Here they said only one will win the competition. There is a case two people will win the competition, 3 winning competition, all 4 winning competition. There are a lot of things. Don't do one minus like that. Total probabilities, no one winning the competition, only one person winning competition, only 2% winning competition, only 3 people winning competition, all 4 winning competition. Adding all this should come to 1. Total probability 1 will come adding all this. Right? So this is question is regarding only one person winning. Next, permutation and combinations related. A classroom has electric lamp fittings. From a collection of 10 electric lamps, of which 6 are good, 3 are selected at random and put in the lamp fittings. Find the probability that the room is lighted. Sir, how many lamps are available for you? Available to select 10. How many you want to pick? 3. Total is 10C, 3. Among 10 lamps you are selecting 3. Is that clear? 10C3. What about favorable? You want that should be lighted means it should be good one. How many good ones are there? 6 are good. So we need to pick 3 from the 6. 6C3 out of 10C3. Again, ignore about these options. Do your calculations on pretty much. So 6C3 means 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 factorial. 10C3 is 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial will get cancelled. Right. And here, yeah, that's what you ignore about the options. This is 33 times 4 ones, 4 twos. It's 1 out of 6. Answer is 1 out of 6. Calculations 63, 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 factorial. 10C3 is 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 factorial. What is 62? How to write 62? 62. 16 to 5 divided by 2 factorial. 62, 16 to 5 divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means nothing but 2. No problem. 1 by 6 is the answer. Probability, it's helpful for second years as some of them have probability subject, maybe done, completed also probability and statistics. Right, now let's see about this partnership concept. A begins a business with rupees 450 and B joined with rupees 300. Not immediately, after some time. A started, after some time B joined. Question is, after how many months B joined? Right. Now they given profit share ratio is 2 is to 1. Now we know profit share ratio is nothing but investment into timing. How much time amount A invested for how much time? How much amount B invested for how much time? What is profit share ratio is 2 is to 1. A investment is A investment 450. A is there for the entire year, sir. Who started the business? A. At the end of the year means A is there for 12 months. B invested, but how much time B available I had to check. Right. Now this is 15 3 times, 15 2 times, 2 once, 2 6 times, 9 months. Yes. B available for B available for 9 months means he joined after 3 months. A started, he is there for entire 1 year. B joined after some time. B available for 9 months means B joined after 3 months. Understand that. So answer should be 9 months. Some people are worrying about. 9 months is available time in 1 year. He joined after. This is the situation. Initially A started, A is available. After some time B joined. B available only for 9 months in the entire 1 year. Okay, first certain time only A is there. B joined after 3 months. Partnership concept, profit share ratio depends on investment and timing. Investment and timing. Now this is ages related question. Let me see how many can handle this. We are revising different concepts related to quant and reasoning. Options you can ignore. If you got some answer out of this also fine. Ignore about the options. Go with the question. When I was married 10 years back, my wife was the sixth member of my family. Now I have a baby, right? So then today my father is dead. So now the average, now how many people are there? Baby is there, but father dead. So total now is 5. Now average also same they said. What it is there when I married, now also same average they're saying. Find the age of my father when I was married. That's the question. Right. 6 members are there. Let us say average is A. Average is A. Now also 6 members. Right. Now also 6 members. But here gap is 10 years. Married 10 years ago. Okay. Now also 6 members available. Average is A. Okay. Generally, what is the concept? When age is increasing, average will increase. Average age is will increase. But why still before 10 years and after 10 years same is there is baby came, father died. So more age person gone, so baby came. That's what, right? So now age of my father. Now I have baby age is in now 0. Count point of view, I have 6 members. Their age is now I have baby just now. So the age is 0 in fact. It's not completed. 1 year is no. Like 1 hour that's not considered. So now I have baby fine, but that count is not given. We can consider baby age is right now 0, not 1 year. 1 year okay, it's also not there, right? So thing is like in the 6 members, here let us say 4 members or 5 members, A, B, C, D, E, common there. A, B, C, D, E, okay, already written here. Fine, I will change that. A, B, C, D, E, common there and here. Above also common, below also common. 1% changing, there is father here replaced by okay baby, let's say X, right? So and average let's call like Y and Y. You have to calculate father age. We can subtract this one and that one. Right, so fine. Okay, 10 years before, what is the sum? See, average, fine. Sum is average into number of people. Sum equal to average into number of persons. Right. In 10 years ago, okay, summation A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Average is Y. 6 people are there, 6Y. I think you are okay with that. 10 years ago. Now present. Present A age will be A plus 10. Present what will happen? A plus 10, B plus 10, C plus 10, D plus 10, E plus 10 plus X must be equal to 6Y. X must be equal to 6Y. X is now, okay, now I have a baby. Not 10 years before, I am not adding 10 for that. Now subtracting these two equations, let's say second equation minus first equation, that 6y will get cancelled, right? A, B, C, D, E also get cancelled. So what we'll get? F is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said baby age can be taken as. Now I have a baby age not counted to 1 also. It should be like 0. Then it's like 50. 50 is the answer. You just have a look into that. So why X age is 0? Baby. Now I have a baby. Baby. We are counting here age in terms of years. Okay. It's not days. It may be baby age is in days, not in years. So we are considering as a 0. Then okay, you can just check it out. All 6y get cancelled. Father age will be equal to. As per point of percentage, person count is there. Baby is counted as a members count, but age point of view 0. Right, so let's see about next question. Sir, sum of all digits that appear from 1 to 100. Is my question correct or not? We have to check. Sum of all numbers appear from 1 to 100 is different. All digits appear from 1 to 100 is different. I repeat the question. Sum of all numbers means okay, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, sir. 100 natural numbers, 100 into 101 divided by 2, 50, 50, 5050. Option B is there. Fine. But here question is sum of all digits. Whether it is answer is there or not, let it be. Ignore about options. I am telling you that commonly. All digits I need to add. Right. So first go for single digit numbers. Then 2-digit number units place and tens place. Right. Then 3-digit number is anyhow 1 only. That's why this is only 1. 3-digit number, only 1 number is there. So doing that sum of the digits. Question is sum of all digits. In 100, what is the digit available? Summation is 1. Sir, here single digit is from 1 to 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. N into n plus 1 by 2. 9 into 10 divided by 2. 45 will come. 45. See, instead of doing individually, so 10 summation is 1, 11 summation is 2, 12 summation is 3. Instead of that, what I will do, here in 2-digit number, in this units place, what numbers will come? 0 to 9. 0 to 9. 0 to 9 says 1 to 9. Means 45 is the summation. 45. How many times it will come? 11 to 19. 21 to 29. I am talking units place. 11 to 19. 21 to 29. Then 31 to 39 likewise, 91, 9, 9 times is it? So into 9 I am doing. I agree, I have to do 11, 10, 1, sum is 1, 11 summation is 2, 12 summation is 3, then I have to do summation of all that, right? But okay, here I am taking 45 into 9, okay. But what about this units place? Sorry, tens place. 1 will come 10 times, 10 to 19. 2 will come 10 times, 20 to 29. 3 will come 10 times. So 10 times, 10 times, 10 into 1 will come 10 times, 2 will come 10 times, 3 will come 10 times, so on. 9 will come 10 times. So this is 450. Here 405. Here 1. Right. So that's what. Ignore about options. I repeatedly telling you. If it is matching, fine. Or else here. What's your answer? 901 is it? Is it 901? Here 45. 405 means it will become 450. Here 450. 900. Here 901. But I'm telling you, 90% of the students in exam will go for option B. They don't read the question, find sum of all numbers from 1 to 100. I know natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. N into n plus 1 divided by 2, sir. Okay, 100 into 101 divided by 2. As it is available in options, we'll be in hurry and we'll mark it. But see the question, see the depth of the question, right? In fact, this 1 to 9 also we can ignore actually. I can add here itself, 45 into 10 I can write. This 1 to 9 separate, instead of that I can write here 45 into 10. Here itself it will be compensated. Right. Next question, let me see. I believe again many people will do mistake in next question. A person tells a secret to two other persons in 5 minutes. Okay. How long? I think this right side will get the answer first. Never secrets will be hidden. Okay, fine. Now, how long will he take to tell the secret to 768 people? Again, yeah, that will repeat. Again, one person can tell to two people for 5 minutes. Next, two people for 5 minutes. The cycle will go. Stalling. 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 2. Right. So one person telling to two. Again, one person can tell to two. Likewise. Answer. Sir, to get double. Okay, one person is reaching to two persons. For that, it is taking 5 minutes. Then it become 2 square 4 in next 5 minutes. Next 5 minutes it will become double because these 4 people again will tell to 2, 2, 2 likewise. So it will become next 5 minutes it will become 8. Next 5 minutes it will become 16. Okay, already 20 minutes are gone. Next 5 minutes it will become 32. Next 5 minutes it will become 64. Next 5 minutes it will become 128. So far we are done with 30 minutes. No, 35. Okay. Next 5 minutes it is 256. Right. So 40 minutes gone. 40. Yeah. Then again 45 minutes gone. We have reached to 512. Okay. Next, if it is 5 minutes, it will go to 1024. But question 768, 512, double fine, 512 adding. But half of that, if it is 2.5 minutes, then I can go for only 256 people. Let's say this is 5 minutes, 2 people. No, one person means 2.5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I can tell to 2 people. Okay, but in 1 minute, sorry, 2.5 minutes, I can tell to one. Okay, now what will happen? If it is 2.5 minutes, 512 plus 256 will come, which is 768 exactly. We want to tell how many people? 768, 47.5. 47.5. In 50 minutes, or else worst case options, you have a look. Your answer should be more than 45, less than 50. 50 minutes, 1024. 50 minutes, 1024. So 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 512. The answer should be between 45 and 50. Only option available is option C. See, if that number is exactly 2 power something, we can give the answer in shortcut something like. If it is suppose number of people is 512, 512 is 2 power 9, 9 into 5 is the answer. Listen, you can go shortcut for this if you want, so this is taking time. I want shortcut means for 2 power 9, 512, its time taken is 9 into 5 minutes. 45 minutes is required. That power will decide. If it is 2 power 8, okay, 8 into 5, power into 5. Why 2? Why 2 powers? 2 people. But 2 people, to tell the secret, it is taking 5 minutes. So, 2 powers. That's the shortcut we can provide. Now, percentages. Options are not there, you can ignore it. You can let me know what's the correct answer as well. X spent 15% of his pocket money on food and 20% of the remaining on new shirt. Right. So, and if he was left with rupees 1360, right, you just see what's the question. Let's say 100%. Among 100%, 15% is went for pocket money, PM. Pocket money, done. Now, what is available is 85 among the 20%. Read that sentence clearly. 20% of remaining, not 20% of total. So 85 is remaining, 20% for that is 17%. 20% of anything is divided by 5, sir. 85 divided by 5, 17%. 17% for new shirt. Then what is left over? Out 85, 17 gone. 60, 68% is equal to 1360. So how much is for new shirt is 340. What is the percentage for new shirt? 17%. 68% is 1360 means into 20 there. Here the relationship is multiplied by 20. Now new shirt is multiplied by 20, 340. Good question, because generally people will search for what is the X value. Initially how much? Not X value. So initially what is the total money is having, a lot of people will think, but this question is a particular out of that new shirt cost, not total money. Question is not about 100%, question is about 17%. New shirt cost only, not total cost. Not about total amount, it's only about new shirt cost. What about 38? Anyone tell what topic it is actually? Sir? Number systems. Very good. Number systems concept. So divisors or factors means first write given number as prime number power. 1420 we can write as prime number power means first 142 into 10. 142 as 71 into 2. 71 is a prime number. 10 as 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Now all are prime numbers. 71 is a prime number. 2 square into 5 power 1. Here options are actually not available. Okay, as I mentioned, you can ignore options. Right, the question is regarding number of prime divisors. So how many prime numbers are used? 71 is a prime number, how many times you used? One time. 2 is a prime number, how many times you used? 5 is a prime number, this is what 4. Sir, no sir, you said in our class adding 1 and multiplication, that is for number of divisors, not for prime divisors. Thus prime divisors add the power, that's it. If it is regarding number of divisors, in your regular classes we mentioned m plus 1 into n plus 1 into p plus 1. Add 1 to the power and then multiply. That is for number of divisors. But question, please kindly read number of prime divisors are prime factors. How many prime factors are there? Prime numbers. 71 is a prime number, use it for one time. 2 is a prime number, we used it for 2 times. 5 is a prime number, we are using it for 1 time. How many times you are using that prime numbers? Simply adding the powers will be sufficient if you want to calculate number of prime divisors or number of prime factors. But if it is regarding, okay, this is regarding NPF, means number of prime factors. No sir, it is regarding number of factors, NF. NF means number of factors. Then add 1 to the power and then multiply. Yeah, answer 12 is correct. If it is regarding number of factors, then add 1 to the power and then multiply is number of factors. A power m, B power n, C power p. Then answer is m plus 1 into n plus 1 into p plus 1. That's what in number systems we learn. Okay, that's number of divisors. Next one, prime number. Calculator not available. How to decide given number is prime number or not? That too I given only 3-digit number in terms of hundreds. 200s, not in 700, 800 or 1000. What is the procedure to decide is it a prime number or not? Standard, only one procedure available. Only one standard procedure available. Right. Listen, see this. I'll just tell you for one question, then you can keep going. First I'm taking for first option. 199 is prime number or not. For that, only one standard procedure to decide, do square root for that. Approximately this is 14. Approximate value go. 14 square is how much? So take approximately 14. Okay. Next job is list of prime numbers less than 14 or equal to 14. What is the prime numbers less than or equal to 14? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Good. These are the prime numbers. Now, if 199 is divided by 2, no. Is it divided by 3? Divided by 3, sum of digits. No. Is it divided by 5? Divided by 7. 7 2 times 14, 59. No. 11 ones 11, 89. No. 13 ones 13, 69. No. Then it's a prime number. It's a prime number. So what about 119, sir? Everyone knows it's divided by 7, but rule is that square root of 119 approximately 11. Write the list of prime numbers up to 11. Now 119 not divided by 2, 119 not divided by 3, not divided by 5, but when you try it's divided by 7, so it's not prime number. I can say simply this is divided by 11, this is divided by 11 like that. But you have to know the standard procedure, not about this question. Last one divided by 7, close it. But you have to know one standard procedure. If it is a big number also, how you are going to decide. Let's say previously I have 71. I said 71 is a prime number here. Some of you may have a doubt. What we have to do if 71 is prime number or not? Square root of approximately 9, less than 9 in fact. Let us say 9 also, let it be. What is the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. Is 71 divided by 2? Is it divided by 3? Divided by 5? Divided by 7? No, so that's why 71 is a prime number. It's applicable for small number or big number or any number. Logic is this. If it's a big number, we need to check for more list. We went to 13, we go for next 17, that list will be bigger, right? Now see the 40. 5 by 9 parts of a population in a village are males. If 30% of the males are married, the percentage of unmarried females. Question will be like that. They'll give male, first line male, second line male, but last asking about females. Actually, I think there is a data mismatch. At least they have to mention how many are married out of total. 30% of males are married, and there is one more line required. Total 20% married, likewise something required. Wait. Ignore about options because I'm adding this one line extra. This now you can try. In that village, 40% are married. Means 40% of total. Their male is there, female is there. But in males, among males only 30% are married. Right. Now, sir, in question, there is no information regarding what is the total number of people. They said 5 by 9 parts is giving a clue. You just try to assume. Yeah, we have to assume any value, but preferably assume 9 multiple, like 900. Why, sir? 5 by 9. I have to divide by 9. You take 90 or 900 or 9000 or 9 lakh something. Assume total is equal to 900. Right. 5 by 9th are male means 500 are males. Remaining 400 are females. Okay. Now, married. How many are married in the village? 40% means 360 are married. Okay. We'll put this symbol for married. Okay. So, 360 are married. Okay. Now, 30% of the males are married. So, among this, 150 gone. These are males who are married. Okay. Among 360, 150 are males who are married. This is regarding married. A lot of people will think married, buried, something like no. They'll be in safe only. No. So what about remaining is 210 are females who are married. Now, how many are unmarried? When 210 are married, 190 are females unmarried. Now question, percentage of unmarried female in the unmarried is 190, total 900 into 100 we have to do. Question is regarding unmarried female out of total in the population percentage. So required percentage here is 210 out of, sorry, 190 out of unmarried. So 190 out of 900 into 100. 190 divided by 9, which is 9, 2 times 80, 21 1 by 9 here. 21 1 by 9 percentage. I taken as 40% are married out in the village. If I take 35% are married in the village, then answer will change. Okay, so, but there is one line missing in the question. We added that, right? So let's see about this. This is percentages concept. Percentages concept. Okay, and in exams they are giving like this 5 by 9. They are not mentioning total also. Sir, if total is 9,000, what will happen, sir? My dear friend, if total is 9,000, male will become 5,000, 4,000, this will become 1,900. Only change, unmarried female will be 1,900, total will be 9,000. While dividing, that zeros extra will cancel. There is no effect in the percentage. Here 1,900 divided by 9,000, those things will get cancelled. The percentage will not disturb. Percentages will not disturb. So don't worry, whatever the value you are assuming is fine. But preferably assume the value which is 9 multiple. or else calculation will be a bit clumsy. And some people are very much in the 6th and 7th standard, they want always x value, x value, x value something. Okay, it will take more time when you put x something totally equal to x, then 5 by 9th of x. That will take more time dear. We don't recommend that. Always go with the number assumption that things will be a bit speedy. You can do the calculations in easy. Now solve this question, one question, time and distance. Basic one, everyone solve. 12 kilometer per hour. Very good, super. Your destination, the distance is 24 kilometers, same in both cases. But first one, speed is 8 kilometer per hour, right? And time taken is 30 minutes late. See, initially what is the time taken? 24 kilometers with 8 kilometer per hour is 3 hours. This is 30 minutes late. This whatever they are taking, this is late. Means they want to, correct time is 2.5 hours. 3 hours is 30 minutes late, means correct time to reach the office is 2.5 hours. Next one, what they are asking, you have to reach 30 minutes early, means you have to reach in 2 hours. 24 kilometers, you have to reach in 2 hours. So that speed must be 12 kilometers per hour. Speed must be 12 kilometers per hour. Very simple way of handling, right? So don't go for too many equations. It's as simple as initially time taken is 3 hours. That itself is 30 minutes late. Means correct time should be this one. This is late. Last one is early. Right?